Oh yeah. Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Well, I didn't make videos in such a long time that it's gonna make one on Roblox because why not? Yeah, let's make one back. And I'll explain later why I didn't make videos. Yeah, I'll explain I don't know, next video they make. So yeah. See you. Wait, what? Oh, I know. See you here in Roblox. So yeah, let's go in. Okay. I'm not quite good at this game, but so okay, let's go. Crap, who's shooting? who's shooting? Weird. Shoot. Oh crap. That's what you get. Miss. Damn it. Okay. Like level 200, 100. 100 something. Okay, I wanna buy this. Wow. So we still my money on that. So like, what was it? I wanna see. Oh, what's this about? Come on. Hurry up. Damn. They got jets. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, it's actually pretty good. Broke. Okay, let's see. Damn it. Okay. For some reason, I just remembered the song. Do you want me something? Forgot the lyrics. Cringy. So cringy. I don't really playing Roblox. Like it has this like, what has a world week? Amazon Force. We're gonna talk about that one day. Oh crap! This is not a new. What? Oh, there he is. If you guys wanna like and subscribe, well, just do it. Yeah. Just like do something for me. Like just hit that subscribe button. You just need to hit that and it'll be fine. Like Bigfoot will not. Cause you're not original. Yeah, that. Damn it. Freaking died again. Oh, I have emotes soon. Oh, he's dead. 2 people walking over there. Dead. Okay, they're dead. Damn it. So, tell me in the comments down below if you guys play this. So, crap. Hey, yo. Let me just kill you for a second, like just for a second. Just for like a little second. Crap, it's bugging out. Alright. Crap, no it. I'm gonna die. Hopefully I don't die. Crap. My aim is so bad. Weak. No, he's not that weak. Okay, there. I might suck at this game. Oh, what's this? No. Okay, that officially does nothing. Okay. Damn, man, there's no one here. I killed 3. Yeah, I have to get better. You hear that? It's my mouse. Tell me if you guys like these videos. Will probably speak more louder than other ones. If you guys like them, because right now it's like nighttime and everyone's sleeping, so I can't really like just scream and stuff like that. Jarvis! Oh my god, Jarvis! Jarvis! I'm out! Yes, I'm out! Oh, damn! Oh, snap! Die! Damn it! Ooh! Do that! He's almost dead! No, he's not! There he is not! My aim is terrible! Oh, he killed me! How do you shoot that fast? There. No jump. Oh, he was so weak. Come on. You're the crazy one. Now you're dead. So if I just... Oh! Yes. Small brain. You have small brain. Small brain. Small brain. He has small brain. Very small brain. It's small brain time. It's come with your friends. Something with Finn and Drake. I don't know if that way. Anyone else with a small brain? Small brains. Holy crap. Where is the small brain? Small brain. You didn't say stop. Small brain. Like it's lagging so bad. Holy crap. I can't build. Small brain. Small brain. Stop it. I'm small brain now. Holy crap, what do you mean, Jarvis? Jarvis! I'm gonna kill someone. I'm gonna pick up someone. You know, I'm gonna glass. I'm not gonna stop until I glass. Holy crap! I'm gonna glass you! I'm gonna glass you! Damn it! Jarvis! Jarvis, damn it! Jarvis! Jarvis, damn it! You know, I'm not gonna pick up this. No one. Ah, he tried to do the T-pose, but he died. Oh no. I'm gonna do a backflip. Yeah. Stay still. I want to kill you. Just wait up a second. I will kill you, don't worry. Oh, you son of a crap. Really 12-year-olds like me say bad words. Oh my god. I'm gonna do that crap. Die! There. That's what you get. Damn it. Like, that's let's talk about that. Yeah, it's pretty big. We're pretty much screwed. Oh yeah. So if you like that game, put it down. I'm so tired. Put it down in the description. No, I'm just kidding. We'll put it down in the comments down below, and have a nice time. And yeah, well, bye.